Hello, I'm Jen Dederick. A few months ago, I tweeted that I sounded like Kermit the Frog. It was a passing tweet, and I hadn't really thought of it since, but apparently there was a very sensitive young man who was deeply affected by this. I'm making this video in order to help him, so he no longer pictures all of my tweets as being voiced by Kermit the Frog. I will address him now. Kevin. I'm going to read aloud a few of my more recent tweets so you can now picture what I write in this somewhat more sultry voice. All right? Here it goes. I keep them in this book. At Get Money Quincy. Masons are a sort of religious group, sort of social club. Have usually been secretive, which made them suspicious. I know it's wrong to be annoyed by the woman with the hacking, phlegmy cough, but couldn't she go get herself some water? Hashtag library. At Adams Lisa. You should turn off the email notification. At Girls Sent Away. That's the Polanski film, The Helsinki Connection. Dan will be played by a well-coiffed at Tim Hutton. At K. Cecilia. At Dan Davenport. At Julie Clam. Funny you should ask. My old landlord was a terrier. True story. And my high school U.S. history teacher. We're rotten with them. Kevin, I hope this helps a little. I know it's going to take a while for you to picture everything that I'm writing like this, in this way. But someday you will. Someday you will.